Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to order food inside the Food Hub app on your mobile device. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, open up your Food Hub app on your mobile device, and then you'll be brought to the main page here of Food Hub. And now the first thing you need to do is make sure your delivery address is correct. So put in your delivery address here. So I'm just going to put in a random address. Like so. And now once I make an order, food's going to be delivered to this address, or you can also do a food pickup if you want to pick up the food. But for this demonstration, I'm going to leave it as a delivery. So the time of this recording is 8:05, so there's not too many places where I can order food from in Food Hub. A lot of restaurants open a little bit later on where I live. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to have a look what's around. So on the top here, you've got all these different options: curry, noodles, pizza. If I click on pizza, as you can see, it opens up at 4:30 p.m. Rice, salad, cafe, grill. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on cafe, and I'm going to order from this cafe here, Ripple and Swirl Cafe. But if you've got a restaurant in mind, click on the search bar and type in that restaurant or place you'd like to order food from. So I'll just do a quick demonstration. So I'll do the OG Bakery. So now I want to order some food from the OG Bakery Cafe. I'm going to click into it. And then under the restaurant or establishment's name, it's got the delivery and pickup time. So if I do a delivery, it's going to take half hour. Or if I click pickup, I can pick it up in 15 minutes. So under that, you've got all the different options for mains, all the different foods that they offer. So for this, I'm going to order an egg and bacon roller sandwich. So I'm going to click on egg and bacon sandwich. I'm going to add to basket. And if I want, say, like a beverage to go with that, I'm going to go back. Click on beverages. And now, say if I want an orange juice, click on orange juice. Add to basket. If I want to add more, I can click on the plus icon, like so. Click on add to basket. And as you can see, I've got 3 items here for $20 Australian. So to check out, I'm going to click on the basket. Click on confirm. Make sure your delivery address is correct. You can move it around like so. All right, if that looks good, click on confirm. And now choose a building type. I'm just going to say it's a house. Additional address information. And from here, address label, home, office, other. And if you got some, say if you live in an apartment, you live on the top floor, and you can say, I'll meet you at the reception, or I'll meet you at the entrance of that apartment. So you can tap that, type that in here for the instructions. Once you've done that, click on save. Then you're brought to the checkout page. So just review it. So as you can see, 1 egg and bacon sandwich and orange juice, buy 2, and the total comes to $20. If you've got a coupon code, put in the coupon code here, and then click on checkout. So here I need to put in my last name, phone number, etc. to continue on with this. And then once you've done that, it will take you to the payment page. Put in your credit card, PayPal, etc. Check out, and then your food will be delivered within 30 minutes.